Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this bathroom sink strainer or the hair catcher, and we'll practically apply on the sink, and we'll see the results also. At the end of the video, I'll show you the results. Totally, I ordered 5, and I already applied one strainer to one restroom or the washroom bathroom. And see, this is the one Israel basin bathroom sink or the kitchen sink strainer or catcher for 100 rupees. Now the price is showing like this, but you need to check it in the mobile app of the Flipkart, or you can use any of the strainers like this. You just need to search as washroom or bathroom sink strainer or the hair catcher. So how you can use this is, you need to just remove this white part here. Okay, white part here which has the adhesive, self adhesive. No need to apply any gum or any adhesive, right? Inbuilt there is some gum, so I'll try to remove this now. Yeah, see here, this just comes out like this. Okay, this just comes out like this. You need to totally peel it off. Yeah, fine. Yeah, now see here, there is some gum here on this, so I can just stick it on the sink area. Let us stick it now.
Yeah, here you can just stick it now. So the surface is a little bit wet. Make sure you apply it on the dry area.
As I said, I already applied to one of the washroom earlier. I'll show you that one also, and I'll show you the practical results also, how the hair is being uh, filtered or strained or catched here. Okay, this will stop hair, means this blocks the hair. Okay.
Yeah, see here, this goes totally well sticked. Okay, now we'll check the results here. Maybe I'll just record the video continuation like after 1 week later. Okay, I'll club that result here. Yes, see here, I just want to show you the results. Hair or the any dust just catching on the um, this strainer, and if I just pour a lot of water here, see here, the water is going freely out. Okay, and still blocking the dust or the garbage here.
Yeah, okay, coming back. This is quite useful as of now. If you want a review video, maybe I can test that like 1 to 2 months, and after that also I'll do a review video on that. Means one thing I need to check whether the gum here, right, whether this gum stays after 2 months, because water will be just contacting with this gum. Maybe this gum may wash out, this may just go out from the sticking area. I need to check it practically whether this stays on the sink with that gum, or will the gum gets removed. I need to check that practically. I'll update you once I use it for at least 2 to 3 months. If it is well and good, I'll post a video. Okay, I'll just post the status after using it for 2 to 3 months. But as of now, this is doing quite a good satisfactory work. This is what I intended, to block any garbage or the any dust. Means the sink is getting totally filled up, blocking the water to go out. So yeah, if you do have any other question, you can ask in the comments.